Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Compressor. This AC compressor works on just the Toyota Tacoma from 2005 to 2015. What your AC compressor does is it pressurizes or compresses the AC refrigerant, allowing it to circulate and change temperatures when pushed through the condenser. Over time, these compressors are known to go bad, creating strange or weird noises when turned on due to the pulley not engaging properly, or there could be leaks coming from the compressor itself. While this replacement AC compressor is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as this was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory mounting locations and the electrical connector. However, this does have a redesigned clutch bearing for enhanced durability. Installation of an AC compressor might be something you can do yourself should you have the right tools. Keep in mind, refrigerants that are in the AC system are extremely hazardous, so if your AC is charged, do not work on your system without properly discharging it first. Therefore, consider having this installed by a trained mechanic. If you have any questions about this replacement AC compressor for the Toyota Tacoma, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.